Good morning, students. Students, I Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Students, in the previous class we have done the chapter number 1, that was the lost child. Okay, now we are doing the chapter that is the adventures of Toto. Toto is the name of a monkey, and what adventures he do, what throughout the life, that is explained in this chapter. So in this literature part of the chapter written by Ruskin Bond, so first of all we will discuss about something about the author. The author Ruskin Bond was born on 19 May 1934. He was born in Punjab. Then he did his schooling in Shimla and graduated in 1950 from Shimla University. Okay, now he wrote his first novel named as The Room on the Roof. The Room on the Roof was his first novel. Then one movie was directed by Shyam Benegal in 1978 named as Junoon. This was the name of the movie, Junoon. This movie is based on the novel A Flight of Pigeons, which is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond wrote a novel also. The name is Flight of Pigeons. Based on this, one movie was directed named Junoon in 1978 by Shyam Benegal. So that was an introduction about the author. Now let's discuss something in short about the theme of the story. See, in this story we will get to know how the animals, we take them and we treat them as the pet animals. Okay, like dog. Most of the people like dog as a pet animals. Dog, or we can say cat. Okay, so in this chapter it is stated that we must love animals, or it is very obvious we must love animals. We should show some sympathy towards the animals. Most of the time you must have seen that whenever you are going through a road or you are crossing a street, then many people, they used to throw stones on the dogs and or either on the monkeys or on the cats. They used to irritate them. Okay, so we should not do that. We should not create a nuisance kind of irritation with the animals, because they cannot speak. Animals cannot speak. Okay, we must show our love towards the animals. Better is for us if we keep them as pet animals in our homes. So instead of giving them the wrong reaction, why not we can do one thing? We should keep them in our homes as a pet animals. In fact, there are some animals like monkeys cannot be kept as pet animals for their particular traits. Okay, you must have been knowing that monkeys, for their particular traits, means it is stated for the particular traits, means monkeys cannot be taken as granted for keeping them as a pet animals. Why? Because you must have seen monkeys. They are the character who want to live in an open wild area only. From trees to trees they used to jump. What if you will keep them in the home as a pet animals? They will not be able to enjoy their life. But we should give them a chance. There is a movie also based on, it was not based on monkey, but it was based on a chimpanzee. You must have seen, it's a Hollywood movie. Okay, but we must give them a chance to live with us. We should give them a chance because they need our love and compassion. All these animals, especially the monkey. Why it is mentioned about monkey? Because in this chapter you will study the adventures of Toto, and Toto was a monkey. Okay, so monkey, because of his particular traits, he cannot be kept as a pet animals, but we should give him a chance. Why? Because they need our love and compassion. They need our love and compassion. Okay, now students, in the next part of the chapter we will study about the characters. Okay, then we will study about the adventures and end of the story. Okay, so in this chapter we have done with the introduction of the author Ruskin Bond. Okay, and the theme of the story. Now in the next class we will move further and we will discuss the remaining topics. That's all.